I managed to take a walk, and I managed to take a walk, and I reached a place. I relaxed in this place. I saw some guys, some boys are playing football around. You see, boys are playing football around, and another one there, as you see, trying to make some pressure. So, guys, today it's now evening. I had some problem here and there. I had some cough. Not feeling well, but I'm now back. You see, today this time is not. I think my camera is not too clear because of the camera. Not the camera, but because of the time, and now the sun has gone down. Now it's somehow dark, but all in all, just appreciate. Now today I made a walk to this place, and I I discovered a lot because as you see, this is what I can also see with me. This kind of tree today. This is a natural tree. As you see, it has. See, this is a natural tree. I don't know the name of the tree because we have every tree has his name. We have cypress, we have blue gum, but this one is natural. You see, it's so natural. You can touch. Yeah. I asked somebody about this tree. I got that this tree. He told me that this tree, as you see, it's over 30 years old. Yeah. That's all about this tree. At this place, I think you see some boys there. Small boys are they are playing football. They make some practices, and this is a village. This is a village field, a school field. In this village, those are classes, as you see. Those are classes there. These are classes. You see, the boys are there playing football. They want to play football. You see there, they want to play football. This is the ground now. There's a very green grass, and in this area, guys, as you see, boys are trying to nurture their talents. They're trying through football. Some are doing, they do construction work. As you see there, you see there's a construction going on. You can see some bricks just aside there. So people are trying to make their talent, and those are the functions that you can construct the country economy. So you're getting that here we have a hen with chicks. So surprised that trying to search for food for the chicks. I think you see it, guys. uh, and those chicks are being trained by the big hen, which is their mother, on how to survive alone without. But one thing in these areas, because of these trees, you see the trees. Now the eagles make to it hunts these chicks. But what I know, in all, they have to survive. Now you can see the guys are playing football. That's a ball. You see there? They are playing football. And they, they also don't have uniforms because these are local training. Boys coming together, they try to give their team in terms of village, name their team in terms of villages, and they compete among each other. Now, guys, today I made a walk through these places, and I tried to see how the area is, because we had some road construction here, rough road. They try to make it clear. So I was not. I didn't visit the places